Hey everybody, we're going to show you the last step here for setting up your account so that your users can build quotes from site on any device in under 60 seconds. I'm going to hit configuration and go back to account settings, and we're going to build our layout. So this is going to be taking the template that we've built that's linked to our price list and dropping it into our layout now. So I'm going to go create new layout here, and I'm going to give this a name. And I'm going to make it available to all users. So I'll create a layout there. Now all of our content here, we can start pulling from our templates, so it's very fast to go through here. So I'm going to go view my templates, and I'm going to use my retail template. And so I've got everything in here already, and of course my tokens for these are pulled from over here to put in when I'm building this stuff. Quote details page, I'm going to come in here, I'm going to turn on my roofing template, I'm going to go to my authorization page and grab a template here as well. And so just go through each of these pages and put in your content for them. And if there's a page you're not going to use, maybe the warranty page, you might just exclude it down here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a custom page, and I'm going to put in some shingle colors. And I'll just drag and drop that up here. And on the terms and conditions page, usually I require the customers to acknowledge this page. So all of this stuff is preset here. And I'm going to publish this. So now that I've built that layout, the test layout, now I'm going to go into my projects. Here's a project that I've got. And in this project, I've already put in my measurements, right? So I've put in a bunch of values here manually. We will be linking to EagleView right away so that you can just pull in those measurements instantly, and then potentially additional measurement tokens here. So something like a scope sheet that you might use on site, you can fill in your values for all of your different measurements. So all you have to do, fill in those measurements, go to your create new report. I'm going to click on the drop down here, and I'm going to create this from a layout. And I'm going to go to my shared layouts and this test layout that I just built and hit plus. And now literally within this, all I have to do is go into my photos in company cam here that I've linked. I'm going to insert that image, and this whole thing is built. I just hit review and share, and this quote can be built in under 60 seconds like I was saying. So the client's house on there, customized with their name, saying, you know, a welcome with their first name on this page, and we've got all of our quantities pre-built in here. So if I go to that page, the quote details page, I can see that's because my template that I use is linked to my price list items. And if I hit that, I can see these measurements that were inserted that I'd done manually just before I started the video here, that those were all sitting in there, and I can change these and it'll change my values, and I'll just hit save on that. So create your layouts, get those ready to go. Some good layouts to think about in the roofing exterior space is your retail roofing, your contingency agreement, maybe a final authorization one. Then you can get into your commercial and your siding. These are some great ones. We've got a lot of these pre-built. If you need help with any of these things, please ask. We are happy to help and happy to share the content that we've put together. support@sumoquote.com is the email. And we'll look forward to connecting with you whenever you've got a question. Thanks so much and have a good day.